Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, today I'm gonna make this small introduction. I'm preparing chicken thick and chicken wings. I'm gonna marinate them together, but I'm gonna split them one part for the grill and one part to do it on the oven. The main thing is how I marinate it. I'm using some yogurt, some spices, and then cooking it separate is just one pot cooking and the other one is just on the grill. It's just an idea to work one day with the marinade for 2 different days cooking. Yeah. So I hope you like it and check it out. Well, our marinated will consist in 250 grams Greek yogurt. I'm gonna add kind of a tablespoon the tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. This is also a powder. 1 teaspoon cumin and 1 teaspoon paprika. Yeah. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, and we're gonna finish it up with a little bit of olive oil and lime juice. See, a little bit of oil. Yeah, and the use of 1 lime. Yeah, we squeeze it, and now our second half. So this we're gonna mix it properly, mix it that all get together, like the yogurt will become a paste with all the spices we put in, and we are just gonna pour it into our chicken. Yeah, just as easy as it is. So, and now we got a container, bigger one. This is our chicken wings. You see, there are like 13 pieces or 12 pieces, something like that, and those are our chicken thicks. Yeah, are like 8 pieces, I guess. Well, and now we're gonna pour our seasoning mix with yogurt, and we're just gonna leave it over the night on the fridge. Yeah, or if you are gonna prepare it the same day, just leave it for 3 or 4 hours, that the chicken get the flavor of our marinade. Yeah. For our first part of the recipe, we're gonna grill. We're gonna add some skewers. I'm gonna put our chicken thicks into the skewer, and as well as the chicken thicks. Yeah, just I'm gonna do it kind of the 60% to grill and 40% for the oven, because we next day we are one person less, sorry. And just like that, we're gonna prepare our skewers and just back to the grill. Very heat temperature now for the beginning, that you preheat your grill, and then let the grill start and do the magic of this marinade with the yogurt and spices. So quite easy, look at them, very easy, very tasty and they are not spicy, so that means everybody can eat. So I hope you like it, and if you do, please leave your like behind the video and take care.